Back to the channel. In this video you're gonna see me finishing up this mural for the East Coast side of the truck. This is how it turned out. I had a cool log cabin. This is, you know, in proportion to East Coast, I'd say this is probably Illinois or Indiana, but I put a little 67 blue truck, long bed like Woody, and I made an Airstream that I thought was kind of fun. I always want one of these Airstreams. A log cabin and a cool little lake in the back, and then some hot air balloons. So that's what this side looks like. And if you didn't see the other video, this is Woodward Camp. Awesome place, fun vert ramp. So that's how the panel turned out. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me make this. Next, I'm just gonna throw this one in the truck and start priming the West Coast panel and painting on that one. Stay tuned on the channel. There's about to be some big news coming up. gonna have another video real soon letting you guys know what's happening, but giant things are changing on my truck, so hope you guys are excited.